Hi there, I'm Diane, and I just went to 3 airports. I was in Miami, San Diego, and Milwaukee. And I just found out that United Airlines is now charging for a carry-on, just like Spirit Airlines. And a lot of people were really mad, but I didn't pay anything for extra carry-alls. I'm going on a business trip, and I'm gonna show you how to pack one bag, and it fits under the seat or the overhead. Now you're saying, well, if you're going for business, why don't you just charge the company? Well, it's my business. I'm a small business person. So I'd rather take that $35 and go to dinner, right? Okay, so here's the outside pocket. This holds your passport, your wipes, gum, Kleenex. I got my ear pods, I got my hand sanitizer, and I put my phone in there. Easy access, I can get it when I need it, quick. This opens up, and I have a place here for my book. Here's where I put my computer cords, my phone cords, and everything I need to keep dry. This bag wipes clean, and I can also, because security is really dirty, and so I wipe the wheels before I come in my house, and it's easy and it shines right up. This has been through 3 Chicago winters and it doesn't have one salt stain on it. The Essential CarryAll, the name tells it all.